A good description of our service was a member of public stopped a community warden some time ago, and it was an elderly lady, and she said, "So you're like an insurance policy, we might never have to use you, but we know you're there." That tells its own story. Community wardens provide reassurance for the communities with a visible presence within the Perth and Canoss area. One of our main functions is we also provide support for all people who are deemed to be vulnerable due to antisocial behaviour or social exclusion. We work closely with our partner agencies, which include Police Scotland, Scottish Fire and Rescue Service, House and Environmental Services, Adult Care, Education Services, Drug and Alcohol, and a variety of others to address any needs of the general public that we come across, but also to suit the demands of our service.
I think the community really value our presence as we're able to work closely with lots of different agencies simultaneously, which means that when issues arrive we can respond quickly and get things done, which we know the residents are grateful for. Because we are so mobile, we can be in all areas of Perth throughout the day, and in particular the weekends when we're needed the most.
One of our key priorities at the moment is engagement with young people in the schools at lunchtime. They build a trust with us. We're not an enforcement service, but what we are is we are a prevention service, and we go by that. Early intervention and prevention is how we focus and deliver our demands of our service. With our 4 Rs, responsibility for your environment, responsibility for your area, responsibility for your own actions, and most importantly, respect yourself. So that's what we call the 4 Rs. So community wardens go out there, we deliver that programme within schools, we attend school assemblies, we go out to tenants and resident meetings, community engagements events. We have quite a lot of demand. The staff are very passionate and creative about what they do, they're dedicated, and they're very, very committed. I have a really good workforce behind me. In fact, they are the leaders in terms of bringing the service and moving the service forward and changing direction.
There's not many jobs that on a daily basis we can make a real difference in the local area and the people in it. In my time within Safer Communities, the team have done so much, it's hard not to think anything other than this is a really rewarding job. I think some people are probably wondering who cleared and gritted their driveways and paths when we had the snow earlier on in the year. That was the community wardens out doing their bit, helping those vulnerable people in our communities.
They enjoy going out and doing what they do, and as long as they continue to do that, then we'll be a good service.